difference between high and low pressure systems. So, what's the difference? First, let's talk about high pressure and what it is. High pressure is when air pressure around it is lower than itself. This makes high pressure push down on you. Since cold air is heavy, it directly affects air pressure. High pressure air. High pressure from higher up in the atmosphere pushes down, and then it pushes down and away from the ground. And then through conduction, it heats up and then starts to rise up. Now let's talk about low pressure air. Low pressure air is when less air pressure around a zone is higher, which forces the low pressure zone to rise up, letting high pressure air around it to take its place. Like high pressure air, temperature plays a big role in determining air pressure. Low pressure air. Low pressure air from the ground rises up, and then the high pressure air below it takes its place. After that, when it gets high enough, it cools down and falls down and repeats the whole process. High pressure, however, is the total opposite. Cold air molecules don't have a lot of kinetic energy, which means that the volume shrinks or stays the same. Lower volume equals higher density, making it less buoyant. Why does temperature affect air pressure? We'll find out. As shown here, when an air molecule heats up, it contains a lot of kinetic energy. The heated up molecules increase volume or space between them. However, increasing volume decreases density, making air molecules more buoyant. Now you know what's the difference between high and low pressure systems. You know how temperature affects air pressure and also how convection works. Thank you, and hope you learned something new.
Created using Powtoon.